How did Levi survive Zeke's Thunder Spear explosion in Season 4? The blast was catastrophic, a firestorm of destruction that left countless dead. But Levi Ackerman, humanity's strongest soldier, refused to fall. With razor-sharp instincts, he used his ODM gear to shield himself from the worst of the explosion. His Ackerman physiology, enhanced strength, durability, kept him alive even as his body burned and bled. But survival came at a cost. As Levi lay broken amidst the rubble, the faces of the fallen haunted him. His survival wasn't just luck, it was a vow, a promise to make Zeke pay for the lives he'd stolen. Levi's resilience became the spark for his final, brutal confrontation with Zeke, because for Levi, death wasn't an option, not until justice was served.